is capable of managing the whole affairs.
Standing tall at the heart of Black Star Square, the Black Star Gate is more than just a moment. It is the ultimate symbol of Ghana's independence and strength. Did you know that this iconic structure holds the very essence of Ghana's freedom? Stay with me as we uncover the powerful meaning behind this historic gate in just 2 minutes. Commissioned by Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, Ghana's first president, the Black Star Gate was built to mark Ghana's sovereignty after independence in 1957. At the center of the Black Star Square, this monument carries two powerful inscriptions. AD 1957, the year Ghana broke free from British rule. Freedom and justice, the core values of Ghana's independence. And at the top, a 5-pointed black star representing African unity and Ghana's leadership in the fight for freedom. The Black Star Gate isn't just a structure. It is where parades, celebrations, and national events take place. From Independence Day ceremonies to military parades, this monument stands as a proud reminder of Ghana's supreme power to control its own affairs. Kwame Nkrumah's dream was clear. Ghana was not just free, but a beacon of hope for all Africa. The Black Star still shines brightly, reminding us of Ghana's journey to freedom and justice. Let's celebrate our history. Like this video if you love Ghana. Comment Black Stars forever. Subscribe to History with Bruce for more epic Ghanaian history. Share this with your friends and let's keep our heritage alive.